VESPA.
80 years of an icon. Behind every celebration, there's logistics. Everything starts here. From heritage to motion. Handled with care. Every detail matters. From Pontedera to Rome, seamless, end to end. Built overnight. From empty space to an experience. 15,000 kits prepared and delivered. Daily replenishment, last mile, real time, always on. When everything works, you just enjoy the ride. DSV, delivering experiences.